Today is the day to check the medicine cabinet and dig out those old prescription bottles, because today is the day to take them back to law enforcement officials.
A couple of law enforcement agencies are taking part here in Kern County in the drug take back event going on across the state. 23 ABC's Scott Sheehan is live in Tehachapi at one of those events. Scott?
All right, so Tori, Emma, there are 3 different locations here in Kern County, 2 over in Bakersfield, 1 up here at Tehachapi, at the Tehachapi Police Department. What they're trying to do is get any of those unwanted drugs, and they're going to put them in boxes like this so that they're taken off the street and disposed of properly. So I have Officer Elizabeth Place. She's here to talk a little bit more about what the drugs that they're looking for they get off. So good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. So let's talk a little bit about the types of drugs you guys are looking for the community to come bring.
Mainly we want unused prescription drugs, any medication that you no longer use, possibly family members that are no longer taking any medications. It's what we want. It's what we're trying to get off the streets and possibly get it out of unharmed from children, anybody that can get hold of them.
And if anyone out there finds any of the some of the harder drugs, what do you guys do as far as that, as far as trying to take them, or is that not today?
No, of course, we will always take them 24/7, come to the police department, or if you can, we can always come out to you. We'll take an incident report, take that, and book it into a property for us, and we'll have it destroyed.
Anything that you're looking for to remind the community to not bring for today?
Just specifically, we want to make sure that it's prescription drugs mainly. Anything like that is going to be helpful. We want to make sure we get it off the streets. Please don't flush it. Of course, it's something that we always want to mention. Also, needles. You could bring them, and we can dispose of them. You can also take them to the local hospital, and they can help you with that. But mainly today is our prescription that we want to make an awareness about.
All right, so again, there's 3 different locations, 2 in Bakersfield, 1 up here in Tehachapi, 10 to 2. All you have to do is go in, drop them off, and then be on your way. So up here at Tehachapi, Scott Sheehan, 23 ABC, connecting you.